Did you know some parrots can live over 80 years? That means your pet parrot could literally outlive you and attend your funeral. But here's what's even wilder, they don't just mimic sounds, they actually understand context. African greys have been proven to have the intelligence of a 5-year-old child. They can solve puzzles, use tools, and even comfort each other when sad. And get this, there's a species called the kakapo that's so heavy it forgot how to fly. It's like the panda of the bird world. Plus, parrots are one of the only animals that can dance to a beat naturally. They're not just copying us, they genuinely feel the rhythm. Nature's most underrated genius right here. Subscribe to 1 Minute Fun Facts for more such interesting videos.